Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. I know it's been a couple of weeks or maybe months that I uploaded something car related, but the thing is, I had a lot of troubles here in my garage. So the owner of the garage, he asked me to clear the whole wall here with my stuff because they're gonna pull some new electricity cables for the guys next door. During that period of time, I had a big storm and we had a lot of water damage. So I was happy everything was on a trailer from the ground, and I didn't have any damage to my stuff, but the floor was all soaking wet. They're not gonna be able to repair that, but I will be moving maybe next year, so well, it's gonna be okay till then. So that took a couple of weeks, well, maybe a month and a half before the guys finished their electricity work. And well, with COVID and stuff, I didn't have a lot of time to come over here and do some work because, yeah, first of all I had to put everything back in order. I did that with my girlfriend, and yeah, I had some personal stuff. So up to now I'm waiting for some parts for the Ridgeline. I'm waiting for some stuff for the coupe as well. And first of all, what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna make a new spray cabin, because this one, well, it fell apart. I'm gonna finish up everything in wood, so that's gonna be nice and clean and a new start to do some new spray projects. And yeah, after that we'll see what's gonna happen. So let's start with removing that stuff, and then I'm gonna put all of these parts that are cut up to spec already. I'm gonna put everything together and I'm gonna put it up into its new place. So, all right, let's go. Okay, so now I've got these parts. I'm gonna put them all together, make the skeleton first, and then I'm gonna cover it up with this very thin wood. Test fit. Perfect. So the skeleton fits. That's perfect. So now I'm gonna cover it up with the wood, and then yeah, we can test fit it again, and then we can finish it up. Okay, so most of it is done. I'm gonna put the floor in and then some lights. And then there was lights. Alright, so I'm gonna put it into position, and yeah, I think that's about it for today. So that's wrapped up. I know this vlog wasn't really about car related stuff, or kinda, maybe. I will use it for car stuff, I promise. The next vlogs will be about the Ridgeline, some maintenance parts, some finishing up, finally. And then after that I will start on the Civic again. So I hope you like the vlog. If you do, like, subscribe and comment. That will help me out a lot. And then we'll see you next time.